little friends! Get ready for a wild adventure as we explore the names of animals together. Let's dive in and have some fun learning. Cow. Hippopotamus. Otter. Koala. Shark. Sloth. Camel. Panda. Rhino. Bee. Caterpillar. Wolf. Flamingo. Jellyfish. Ladybug. Dolphin. Walrus. Alpaca. Penguin. Snail. Spider. Giraffe. Kangaroo. Bull. Scorpion. Pig. Chicken. Dog. Cat. Mouse. Duck. Sheep. Bear. Tiger. Lion. Deer. Elephant. Raccoon. Monkey. Fox. Squirrel. Snake. Turtle. Frog. Pufferfish. Whale. Owl. Bird. Eagle. Time flies when we're having fun, and there are so many more animals to discover. Stay tuned for our next adventure where we'll meet even more amazing creatures. Until then, keep exploring and learning. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go!